Welcome to this Odyssey tutorial, your guide to a seamless installation process for our Shopify plugin. Open the Shopify App Store. Search for the Odyssey app. Click the Install button to start the installation process. After installation, you'll be greeted by the Odyssey welcoming screen. Here, you'll find a tutorial video on the right side of the screen. Click on the Let's Go button to choose your plan. Under the Your Space tab, enter your unique store name and tagline. Click Next to move to the Your Logo tab, where you can upload your brand logo. Explore the Themes tab to discover a range of dynamic shop interior themes to choose from. For the best results, check out your 3D shop preview. You'll be pleasantly surprised to find your products already there, courtesy of our cool auto-population feature. Close your preview tab and click Go to Dashboard. Head over to your online store from the admin portal and click on Customize. You have two options for incorporating your 3D experience. Either create a new page or, like us, use an existing one. Simply hover your mouse where you'd like to add it, click Add Section, and choose Odyssey from the apps. It's that simple. Click Save to retain your changes. Here's a preview of your Shopify website's 3D experience. For PC navigation, use the W, A, S, and D keys, and for touchscreen devices, we've incorporated joystick controls. In the settings, you have the flexibility to adjust mouse sensitivity and movement power to your preferences. Clicking on any product display will take them to the product landing page, where they can add items to their carts. Back at the Odyssey setup screen, you can make real-time changes to your 3D experience. If you add new products to your Shopify store, simply click Sync Products to update your 3D store with the most updated products. You can preview changes anytime to ensure they meet your preferences. Plus, there's a step-by-step tutorial available for your convenience. And that's not all. You can always explore our current features in detail. But wait, there's more. Stay tuned for even more powerful features and exciting upcoming themes as we continue to evolve and enhance your e-commerce experience with Odyssey.